With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, here the question is, sympathetic nerve fibers in mammals arise from which one? Sacral nerves, third, seventh, ninth, tenth cranial nerves, or thoracico-lumbar segments of the spinal cord, or the cervical nerves. So first of all, sympathetic nerves, it is the part of our autonomic nervous system. So A and S, or autonomic nervous systems, have a two part, that is a sympathetic and parasympathetic. So both have very important function in our body. The parasympathetic nervous system, it activates the fight and flight response. So whenever we have to fear, so how to fight, otherwise we have to fly from here, so that is called the flight. So fight and the flight response stimulated by the sympathetic nervous system. It's mostly happen during the threatened period or the danger. The parasympathetic system, it is also very important because it helps to calm our body. It helps us to think anything very quietly and calmly. First of all, both have a very important role in human beings. In the sympathetic nervous system, it will dilate the pupils, it inhibits the salivation, it increase our heartbeat, it relax our airways, especially at the time of respiration. It will helps and it will do it very relaxedly. It will inhibit the activity of the stomach, so for that our digestion process will be happen properly. So all this happen due to the sympathetic nervous system. Without that, it will inhibit the gallbladder, so the bile secretion will be less. It inhibits the activity of the listeningness, and it will secrete the epinephrine and norepinephrine. Especially this epinephrine and norepinephrine only helps to this fight and flight response. It will regulate it by this epi and norepinephrine. So these have a very important role in the dangers, we can say. So next one, it will relax the our bladder also. That urinary bladder also controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. So we can controlling our urination. Now, the parasympathetic also have the same values, or they have also important work, like a constrict our pupils, stimulate the saliva, slow our heartbeat, constrict our airways, stimulate activity of stomach, stimulate the gallbladder. That means we can say if one will stimulate, another one is a inhibit. So like that way, sympathetic and the parasympathetic organs work together. Sympathetic nerves are specially arise from the near the middle of spinal cord in the intermedullateral nucleus of the lateral column. It will beginning from the first thoracic vertebra of the vertebral column, and it will extend it up to the third lumbar of vertebrae. So the sympathetic nervous system, it will start from the first thoracic vertebra of vertebral column, and it will extend it up to the lumbar regions, and which one is the third lumbar vertebrae. So that means The spinal cord is the origin of this sympathetic nerve. So here the fourth option there, sacral nerves, third and seventh, ninth, tenth cranial nerve. Cranial nerve has a different function. Like third cranial nerve, it is known as the oculomotor nerve. So it doesn't have same function. Then the seventh one, it is known as the facial nerve, which are helping in our facial expression. Then the tenth nerve. So all these nerves has a different function. So here the correct option is thoracico-lumbar segments of spinal cord, because it is started from the first thoracic vertebrae of the vertebral column and it will extend it up to third lumbar vertebrae region. So the correct option is the third one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.